Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Sam's Club, complete guide step by step clearly. First, create a Sam's Club membership account if you don't already have one. Visit the Sam's Club website or app to sign up. Choose between the standard membership or business membership based on your needs. Plan your budget by determining your monthly income and necessary expenses. List all essential categories such as groceries, household items, and personal care. Use the Sam's Club savings calculator to estimate costs for items you regularly purchase. Consider bulk buying for items that have a long shelf life to maximize savings. Check for current promotions and discounts available at Sam's Club. Make a shopping list based on your budget categories and stick to it while shopping. Take advantage of the instant savings offers available in-store and online. Evaluate your purchases as you shop, ensuring they fit into your budget. Keep track of your spending with a mobile budgeting app or spreadsheet. After shopping, review your receipts to assess if you stayed within budget. Adjust your budget as needed for future months based on previous spending. Consider using the Sam's Club app for easy reordering and tracking your expenses. Plan ahead for seasonal items or holidays to avoid last-minute purchases. Set up alerts for any upcoming sales or membership deals through the Sam's Club website or app. Regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect any changes in income or expenses. Stay committed to your budgeting goals to maintain financial stability. Utilize the resources and tools provided by Sam's Club to enhance your budgeting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.